What is going on, everybody? I'm in a random parking lot in Portland, Oregon, but even better so, I'm doing a tour today. There's my van right there, which we're not touring because it's not done yet. We are doing a one-of-a-kind tour. Here she is with Alexa Glazer.
That's me.
Wow. I'm in your van now.
You are welcome.
Hey.
Welcome home.
Welcome to your home.
To my home.
Yeah. Guys, normally I would turn on the lights for you in a van so we can get a better viewage of everything. Viewage. One of the reasons why this is a one-of-a-kind van tour is because, you want to explain? You want me to? I'm doing a pretty good job, right?
No, you're doing great. Keep going.
She's gonna get mad at me right now, but the reason this is a one-of-a-kind because this van and Alexa have gone through hell and back.
I know.
She hasn't had electrical in what, a month?
Yeah, but I've had problems with it since April, so.
And she moved into the van a month ago. This is real van life, guys, by the way.
For real though.
This is some real.
Like this is the not glorious, not picture perfect.
And that's why I want to do this tour, because we have a very beautiful, young, vibrant woman that's a solo female traveler. And hey, things just aren't always perfect the way that we script them to be.
Definitely not.
And she is still on the road and still killing it. And that's why we're doing this tour today.
Yeah.
Right?
Heck yeah, I'm still
Do you want to show
smiling.
them? Yeah, somehow.
Somehow.
Also, maybe one of the reasons why she came and stalked me a little bit in Portland, Oregon. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
I was coming here.
She was coming here anyways. We just so happened that we were just coming at the same time. We won't get into that. We were friends before, but this, by the way, guys,
Yeah.
right? We were, right? Well, the van life community brought us closer, but we are friends.
Yeah, we are. We honestly have talked on the phone more than we've
Seen each other in person, yeah.
life. Some deep conversations on our drives.
Yes, we both cried. We've both.
We've laughed, we've cried, we've
only
fought.
laughed. We've never cried. I don't think we fought. Have we fought?
Haven't. These are all lies. We actually don't know each other at all.
We actually barely. Yeah, we've met each other once.
We're confusing everyone.
I know. Can we show them your home?
Please.
Okay. Yeah. By the way, this is what I have to deal with for the next like 2 weeks while I'm here.
It's fun.
Yeah.
You never know what you're gonna get with me, and that's the good stuff.
It's like a box of chocolates.
Kind of like my van. You never know what you're gonna get with her.
Oh man, it's true.
We're like peas in a pod.
Obviously, she's a lot better looking to look at on the camera, so I'm gonna turn this around and we're gonna get this going.
Okay. Getting a little camera shy. It's so not like me.
You know what's nice is I've been recording this whole time.
I am nervous though. I actually kind of have butterflies.
Aw, she's nervous to be on my channel, guys.
Kind of. It's really hot.
It is kind of hot out, actually. We were like in this freezing cold coffee shop the last like 16 hours.
Like complaining how cold we were, and now I'm complaining that.
And that's the parking lot we're in filming right now.
Yeah.
This is real van life at its finest.
This is kind of like our home for the day.
So why don't you tell everybody what you have as a vehicle, as a home?
Yeah, so I drive a 2014 Mercedes Sprinter, 144 wheelbase. She's freaking beautiful. But
Name, because you love your van name.
I love her. Her name is Billy, spelled with an I-E.
Billy?
Yeah, oh Billy. I say that a lot because she's super temperamental.
Super. You designed this whole thing.
Yeah, so my best friend's now fiance, he lives in Denver. He did all the building for me, but we kind of designed it together, picked out all the things that we liked, the layout, the reason why we did the garage instead of like the split floor plan, kind of all that kind of stuff together. And then as far as like wood, the butcher block, like my subway tile, like those things were just things I felt like I really, really wanted.
Right.
So we have like some piping. My like favorite thing that I needed, no matter what, no matter like how big or small the space was my bookshelf.
Yeah.
I'm like the biggest book nerd, like 2018 read 50
And you're not a
books.
Kindle girl. You like hard copies.
Oh yeah, I have to. Like each book has like a story within itself, like how I read it, and it's like touching the pages, smelling it, like literally a book nerd. Yeah. But so like I had to have a bookshelf so that I could have like my physical books. Obviously it's not going to hold everything for life, but that like is my favorite part of the van.
And speaking of books, you wrote one.
I did. That's my other baby.
That's actually, it's on the table right there. It's called Living the Dream Today because tomorrow is not promised.
Yeah, kind of a mouthful, but like.
And you can actually purchase that book now.
You can purchase it.
On alexaglazer.com.
Or Amazon.
Or Amazon.
Or Barnes & Noble.
Or Barnes, whatever. I just, I wasn't even going to throw that all out there. Wow. So you guys can actually purchase her book. It's an amazing book. It's a great read. I've read sections of it. I haven't written the whole thing cover to cover, but I will. I'm going to. Alexa was sweet enough to give me a copy, so thank you very much. It's actually really cool, and Alexa gives an in-depth story of Alexa, which is amazing. You have something that a lot of people don't have, which is right behind you. I kind of want you to open up if you could.
Yeah.
Your floor-to-ceiling closet, which everybody's gonna be like, what? How did you why did you put a floor-to-ceiling closet in there?
And then so like at the bottom, I have just like miscellaneous little things, like my Mr. Buddy heater and stuff, and like I keep my propane in there.
Okay.
But honestly, the reason I wanted a closet was I'm a speaker, and so don't actually have like a thing up here for my hangers yet, but
rod.
I will, a rod. But I wanted to make sure I was able to hang up some of my clothes so that not everything was wrinkled all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So when I am in front of people speaking and doing my thing, I have clothes that aren't like I live in a van. So that was honestly like the biggest reason behind like having a closet.
The closet, right?
Yeah, 100%.
And you also did a thing in the front here, like a bulkhead.
Yeah.
Because you wanted like to separate the access from front to back.
Absolutely. I wanted it to feel like that's my car up there and like my home is back here.
Right.
So I eventually still need to get like some sort of curtain because right now I jimmy rig it when I sleep and hang up like just a blanket.
Okay.
We do what we can.
Yeah.
But yeah, I honestly like love this because there's like total separation.
And I'm actually gonna get down for just 1 second because I want to show everybody. A lot of people that in the van life, we actually enter usually from this side and we build out the counter over to here. Alexa, you changed up the game. You put your counter here and you enter on the left.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm gonna show what's in that in a second, but what is there?
So I have my fridge on this side. And honestly, I felt like it was more open this way, and I liked, like, when I sit at my table, I'm not, like, crammed next to this, too.
Yeah.
And I think putting this here, too, since my bench is over here, like, I was able to have this taller. So, like, this is honestly, like, one of my favorite spots to sit. And I also use this to climb on the roof.
You do, that's right.
I do. Who needs a ladder when you have a counter right next to the door?
Yeah, and you climb right up there. We'll show you doing that later. Or I'll throw a clip of you up there doing that.
We like have to open the vent, stick our hand in there, climb on.
That's right. Use that as a grappling place.
It's a whole process.
It is.
But honestly, yeah, this is like my favorite because I can work up here and stand if I want. I can sit up here. I can climb up top. And to me, it like opens up the space over here a little bit.
That's pretty cool. By the way, really cute rug. Why don't you tell everybody where you got that?
Morocco.
Yeah, that's cool.
Literally Morocco.
Just got back from your European trip.
Yes.
You have 2 seating areas for people to sit across from each other, which I actually spent probably like 2 hours with you the first time I met you.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, we did. We had like a deep conversation there, right?
I had no electricity then either.
You didn't. Still fell in love with your personality and who you were as a person, and I think that's the reason why I sat as long as I did in pitch blackness.
I had my twinkle lights.
Yeah, the twinkle lights, and we had the Vegas lights.
True.
Yeah, which I'm gonna throw up that really cool picture that I took of you on your van.
Yeah, that was dope.
That was a cool pic. Your toilet's underneath one of these benches, correct?
Yeah. So this lifts, but we pull the toilet out from here.
Oh, look at that. I actually didn't even know that.
Yeah, so she pulls out from there, and then I'll just use it over here. But then, like, the other side of this space is where I put my shoes.
Oh, nice.
So
that's
my
a little
shoes.
cute little storage area for your shoes.
Yep, and then the other side is, like, just completely open.
It's like a storage,
So,
right?
yeah, more storage, like a lot of, like, my blankets. I put the things I don't want to break in there, like my mugs, since they're wrapped in the blankets.
Now, you don't see a lot of people sleeping side to side on these Sprinter 144s, but you do.
I'm a nug.
I'm a nug? Is that what you just said?
Yeah, I'm small.
Like a nugget?
Yeah, like a little nugget.
Okay.
Like a chicken nugget.
All right, I just wanted to make sure that we were on the same page here.
We are. We're on the same page.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I can fit this way because I'm small enough. I'm only 5'3", and I kind of stick my head in the corner and like sleep diagonally.
Yeah, and also, I don't think you have enough pillows.
I know, I love decorative pillows, and I realize that this is a 60-foot square space, but like, I don't care. That was like, that was a big thing for me. It was like, if I'm gonna live in this full time, like I want it to feel like my home. It looks so cute.
Gosh, she literally has like 17 pillows.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Yeah, well, I added 10, so yeah, she has 7 pillows, but it's okay.
Pillows, a lot of blankets, but so it's cool because like I can sleep this way.
Okay.
And when I'm not lazy, which hasn't been very often yet, but that orange thing back there is actually the extra part of my mattress. So what's cool about my bed is that we can pull it all the way out. So typically when I do this, this is also why, if I'm not lazy, I have to take these off the wall so they're Velcroed.
I did not ask her to do all this. She just is.
I'm going to show you a little bit.
Yeah.
And then this pulls out all the way to here. And then
it gives you a huge bed.
Yeah, so then we're 4 inches short of a king when you sleep vertically.
Whoa.
And it is freaking spacious. So much room for activity.
Wow. That's where the magic happens.
Maybe. No, I'm just kidding. There's no magic happening in here. Only the magic of life.
It's already mood lighting because you don't have any, but anyways.
This is so true.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Throwing it out there. Cute bookshelf, by the way. I do actually love that.
Yeah, the bookshelf is my favorite freaking thing in the planet. I'm obsessed, like I said, reading, so I got all my books. One day I want Beauty and the Beast library in my home. So like this is Beauty and the Beast library in my van. You feel me?
I do. I feel you completely, actually. And you have a lot of storage up top, too.
So much storage.
You do. You have a lot of storage, so... And then you have a whole bunch of storage underneath the bed, which we're not going to show because it's kind of...
A mess.
It's a mess, and well, we don't have to. You guys can just picture what's underneath Alexa right now. Oh, by the way, I just said your name. And I'm sure you get this a lot, and I'm sorry, but how many people do the stupid Alexa?
Let me just tell you, it's not a new joke. Or a funny joke, to be honest.
I know, and I'm laughing, and I shouldn't because...
Like, you tell me, if when you went to Starbucks and they went, Jarrod, your drink is ready. Like,
well, my name isn't a device that you can buy off of Amazon.
That's what I'm saying, if it was.
I gotcha.
So, the Alexa, play Despacito, it gets old kind of fast. Pretty fast. Like, honestly, it messes with me when they say it.
Like, it just really just kills your insides.
It makes my skin crawl a little bit that people think they're funny. Amazon ruined our lives a little bit.
Yeah, like, obviously you were born way before that device.
I was here first.
You know? So,
like,
and you're not the only Alexa out there.
Definitely not. And like, come on, like Siri, there's not probably many Siris out there.
No, I'm sure there's more Alexas than there are Siris. So Alexa's been going through, guys, like a lot of stuff, and we're not looking for sympathy.
Heck no, this is just real van life.
It's real van life at its finest. This actually works really well with my vlog, because my vlog I want to show more about the realness of van life and not the glitz and glam of camping in the wilderness or on beaches or lakes or wherever it may be. First of all, we are in a parking lot. Second of all, you don't have lights right now. You don't have anything. You don't even have a refrigerator that works.
Nope, literally no electricity. So I'm literally living in a van as an Amish person. And quite honestly, my van doesn't start sometimes, so living like the Amish with the horse would actually help me out if I had one pulling me. I just had to get jumped 2 days ago.
You did, and
yes.
Yeah, I was almost with you, and you were like freaking out.
Yeah, we were like 3 hours apart, and I'm like, luckily had service at that point. So, literally no electricity, no fridge, can't use my plugs, no lights, can't use my vent.
The fan, you can open it, but you can't use the fan.
I can open it, but can't use the fan.
People, I want you to think about this for a second. Everything that you have in your life that demands a charge, she can't use.
Yes, so my computer, like I have to be very like energy efficient when it's like if I want to work on it, like then I can't be watching Stranger Things on my computer if I know that I can't plug it in.
Or your phone for that matter.
My phone, like obviously I can like charge it when I'm driving and like I have like a portable thing for my phone, but like again, you still kind of have to be conscious. My camera, like my camera batteries.
And didn't Jarrod just lend you something?
Yes, he did, because he's the best.
Aw, thanks. I did lend her my power station because I obviously have more than enough power that I know what to do with. So while she's not with me, she's using my power station for the time being until we fix her van.
Yeah, which is...
It helps, but I mean, it's not out of the woods, but we're working on it. That's what we're here for. And that's what our van life community is all about. I've only met her twice, and I'm here to help.
Totally. And I honestly feel like we're like super close from just like that one time meeting in person. Honestly,
we're BFFs.
we're like PB and J.
We are like PB and J.
But I'm the PB because I actually don't like jelly.
Oh, I'll be the jelly because I look like a piece of jelly. So like avocado and toast, you're the avocado and I'm the toast?
I actually don't like avocado either.
I don't like avocado either! Oh my god!
Which is like no one in the face of the world.
Right? Are we the only two people on earth that hate avocado?
Must be.
Anything else you want to tell us about your van before we let you go?
She's really cool. We got a record player in here.
What is your Instagram handle? It's everybody to find you.
Okay, it's at Movin Alexa. MOVIN.
You dropped the G. Yeah, moving.
No G.
No G.
We have that one where it says like all my van life adventures, and then we have at Livin, again drop the G, Livin the dream, the movement.
Yeah, your pillow's right behind you as you're saying this.
My mom found these.
Oh, living the dream.
Yeah, so it's like totally on brand, the black and white though, which is pretty cool, and all caps. It's like my thing, so.
We working on your van?
Heck yeah, we are! Not gonna be living Amish for much longer.
Let's go see the before, shall we?
Well, we missed totally the before, but...
Well, the during.
We just ripped everything out.
Yeah, we did.
We're gonna clean it up a little bit.
Who's helping you with that? Not me, but...
I mean, you did help.
A little bit.
But my sweet friend, Mark, Nomadic Customs. Freaking killer. And he's got a heart of gold. This up. No. We are a couple of Nimrods. Yeah.
We're goofballs. We're both. This is why her and I get along really well, because we're both goofballs and we're both love to have fun.
And we actually have pretty deep talks too.
We do. We have really cool conversations and
our fears and words.
We do. We actually intellectually challenge each other quite often.
And I make you do 10,000 steps a day.
Yeah, she has a Fitbit on and she's killing me with these 10,000 freaking steps, but I need it because I need to lose my weight.
The jelly.
The jelly. I need to lose my jelly fat. And I need the PB protein. That sounded so bad. We are gonna call this a day, although Alexa and I have more work we gotta do.
Yeah.
Right?
We've been killing it today.
It's been a good day. It's been a good day.
Yesterday we had a fun day. Today was about work.
We had a really relaxing day yesterday.
It was freaking awesome.
We went to a brewery.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yoga on Jarrod's van.
Well, one did yoga on Jarrod's van. I just laid like a piece of jelly up there.
And it was interesting getting up there.
Yeah.
Because you don't have the luxury of my
this
ladder.
is true. So guys, check her out please at Movin Alexa on Instagram, Livin the Dream as well. AlexaGlazer.com if you guys. She's a motivational speaker, so she has to be positive all the time, or she is. Like, it's just part of her DNA, which is phenomenal. Everything that you would think would bring this woman down hasn't. She has not cracked once.
Universe, you ain't stopping me. Pick on someone your own size.
Drop the mic!
Oh my god, this guy's an idiot.
Yeah, I think my viewers know this already. Alright guys, we'll see you next time!
We'll see ya!